My name is Zuzanna Abdala. I am a Knauss Fellow currently working in the NOAA Fisheries Office of Habitat Conservation Restoration Center. I am a habitat science and policy analyst, and my main project is working on a framework that assesses the value and impact of our technical system in restoration projects. So essentially, the RC, they fund restoration projects all over the country. And alongside of that, there's a lot of, apart from what they're supposed to do to get the project move along, they're doing all of this outside technical assistance. The value of it doesn't really get captured. Essentially, my job is to create a framework that captures the value of technical assistance in a both quantitative and qualitative way. And within that, there's needing to incorporate restoration success stories, storytelling, that kind of thing. Having a regional impact is something that I would like to have in the future, because regional project, you can really see the changes of the stuff that you do in much more quickly versus stuff that we do at a higher level. It's kind of like the 5-year timeline, all of these improvements or little projects that we have. I think that my project is, I'm going to get to a certain point and then someone else is going to pick it up later, or I'm going to continue the work if I stay within the restoration center.